Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will teach you how to create this display cabinet with glass panel in the middle. Okay, so you guys can go to customize. Then we're gonna use this system cabinet function. Okay, you guys can drag out this model, universal cabinet non-keyboard. Okay, you can drag to the wall, then change the size here. Okay, so the depth I will put 400, then the width 600, height I change to 700. Okay, you can put your own sizing here. Okay, and then you can drag out this steel frame, drag to the wall. Okay, here I will change the size, width 600, the depth 400, and then the height I will change to 6, okay, or 500. Okay, you can change, you can put your own sizing up. Okay, I will change to 500. Then here you see the diameter is thick. Okay, you can adjust the diameter of the steel. Okay, T1 is diameter, you can change to 10. Here the height H1 I will change to 0, so it will fall to the floor. Okay, it will stick to the floor. Okay, and then you can copy this cabinet here. Okay, select and right click on the cabinet, go to copy. Okay, or you can press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, so the second cabinet here, I'll change the height to 1000. Okay, slightly higher, right? Then we're gonna stack the cabinet on top each other. You can press Z button, alright, Z button on your keyboard, then go to point capture. So each corner here will have green dots. Okay, you can select and connect it to the other corner. Select the green dots. Okay, select to this corner. Okay, so it will stack to each other like this. Then you can press escape button. Okay, so this is the outcome, right? So here you can select the steel frame. Okay, so here you click neat glass. Okay, change to neat. So you can see here got glass on the side. Okay, then we're gonna install the door panel. Okay, you can click install door panel. Okay, select the space. Then you can change the type of the door, open right or open left. Okay, this is swing type. Okay, you can make it half overlay. Okay, then click install. Select the space, select the door type, then click install. Okay, done. Alright, so now we're gonna change the color. You can right click on the wall, go to all materials, door material. Okay, so for the glossy type, you can go to backing lacquer material, glossy lacquer. Okay, I will choose glossy white here. Okay, glossy white. Then for the body, you can right click on the wall, all materials, carcass material. Okay, I will choose the same color, this one, glossy white. Okay, so now you can put glass inside this area. Okay, right click on the steel frame here, select the steel frame, right click, add function part. Okay, then you can go to system cabinet, go to panel class. Okay, go to glass panel. Okay, I select this one, glass backplane. Okay, drag it inside. Okay, you can drag two glass panel here. Okay, another one. Drag it inside. Okay, drag two glass panel. So here you can adjust your cursor. Okay, so you can see the distance here 382. Set it to 0, so it will move to the back wall. Okay, it will move to the wall. Okay, then the other panel here, you can drag it to the front space here. Okay, drag it to the front steel frame, right? So we have done add the glass plate for the back and front area. Then you can put some decoration inside the glass, but first you need to hide the glass first. Okay, select the front glass and press H button to hide it. Okay, hide the glass, then you can click return, go to library. Okay, so here you can come to decoration, decorative accents. Okay, you can go to ornaments or statue. Okay, I will drag some object inside. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, so here you can adjust the sizing. Okay, then you can adjust the position. Okay, then you need to come back inside system cabinet function, select the cabinet, go to system cabinet design. Okay, then you will need to unhide the glass, go to display, object management. Okay, so this is a hidden object, click display. Okay, so where's my glass? Display, object management, display all the glass. Okay, so here we'll show back the glass. Okay, then you can group the cabinet, hold Control button, highlight the cabinet. Okay, then you can press Control G. So this one will pop up. Okay, you can rename it. Okay, and then you can click favorite. Okay, once you click favorite, okay, you can make a new category, or you can put it inside the unnamed folder. Right, then close the tab. You can come to favorite on your left screen. So you can find your cabinet here. My cabinet is inside the unnamed folder. Okay, right, so this is my cabinet. You can drag it outside. Okay, so if you want to change the decoration inside, you need to ungroup first. Press Ctrl B, click OK. Okay, successful ungroup. Then you can edit it. Okay, you can select the glass and hide it. Right, you can click return, select the object here, then replace the product. Okay, replace the product. Then you can choose another product. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's say I choose this one. Okay, here you can adjust the position and the sizing. Okay, select the object and adjust the sizing. Okay, adjust the height. Right, then. Okay, then you can come back to system cabinet here, system cabinet design. Then you can go to display, object management, show back your glass here, click display. Right, so done. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Right, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Right, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.